So the thing that drew me into teaching is that I've always wanted to kind of give back to the community from which I came, and also just enjoy working with people, teaching people, helping people learn the things that I was taught when I was learning the trade. It's just really something that I've always enjoyed doing, and something that I am enjoying working for AJAC. My dad was a machinist, so that had a lot to do with me becoming interested in machining. And so I spent the time in high school that got me prepared for the beginning of a career at Boeing, just kind of getting my foot in the door. And from there, I became a trainee machinist and went into an apprenticeship after that. I think the thing that has stood out the most about teaching apprentices is that they really want to be here. They're always there, ready to learn, even after working a full 8 or maybe even a 10-hour day. They're always ready. They're always eager to take on whatever knowledge I can pass on to them. They're very professional. They handle themselves like adults, and it's just been really easy and nice working with apprentices because of that. My style is very much hands-on. I will admit that I struggle a little bit with the slideshows, and going through that, I use those as a kind of a takeoff point for some of the discussions that we might have about machine safety, for example. Share some experiences that I've had on different types of machines, maybe some accidents that have happened around me or to me. So my style is very much the hands-on and personal experiences that I can pass on to them, and also ask them what's happening in their shops, what kind of experiences they're having. So I think it is important to build a strong rapport and a relationship with your students. We share a lot of the same common interests, four-wheel drives and cars and things like that, and machining, of course. And so we're able to talk about all kinds of different things during class, after class, and before class, and it's gone really well, I think, as far as making that connection with the students. We're of the same cloth, so to speak. One of the things that I'm trying to convey to the students is that you're not always going to have the nicest equipment to work on. You're not always going to have the best tool or the right tool for the job, and that's happened, a few times here and there. And one of the things that I enjoy is being able to say, okay, this isn't working, or we don't have the right tool, so here's what we're going to do. And I think that's been one of the fun things to teach the students, is that you got to improvise sometimes. You got to work with what you have and do the best you can with what you have. And even though our little campus in Enumclaw is as well equipped as, say, the Bates facility is, we can still do the projects and we can still be successful. I think the thing that's keeping me motivated is just being a part of something, being a part of the experience for new apprentices coming through a program, and just being able to pass on the knowledge that I've gathered over the past 36 years. It's easy to come in here and work with the apprentices. They make it easy, AJAC makes it easy, and so it's very satisfying.